Welcome everyone to Nima Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to look how can we reset a password without any tools or without any Microsoft account. So this is a really easy method. So what you have to do is just a small thing. So as you can see, I've been typing my password and the password is wrong. So we are going to do this with the command prompt, and this is a easy access. So now I will teach you how it's gonna do that. So first of all, you have to press on your shift key and press the restart button, and it will restart, and a window will open. Then you have to go to the troubleshoot option and go to advanced option, and you have to open the command prompt. So this is a really easy method. So you have to do the exact same way what I'm doing here. So you have to type the exact same codes what I'm typing here. So I will tell it out for you. So it's Windows System 32 utilman.exe. Again, C Windows System 32 utilman.exe.bak. So this is the way, and you have to press enter. So after that, you have to do the same thing, copy, and it's go on just like that. So you have to do the same thing what I'm doing here, and you have to close the command prompt. And now you can see when I'm using the easy access, when I click on it, the command prompt is opening. So, and now when we type on net user, so you can see the accounts which is already logged on to this PC. So you can see that I have IE user. So now I'm going to reset the password. It's just a really easy method, but I advise please this use only for your personal matters. So after that, you just have to type your username and the password. So you can use any password. For an example, it's John12345, but here mine is IE user, and I will type new password. Then you have to hit enter, and the password has been changed. So you have to close the cmd and just log into the password. Now you can see uh, when I type my password, it's a new password, and I will click on enter. So now you can see I will log into my PC, but this is not yet done. So you have to again go to the start button and press on shift and restart your PC. Again the troubleshoot menu is popping up, and after that you have to go to advanced options, command prompt, and just type the exact thing. So now actually we are doing it's we are replacing the same Windows folder here. So when you have done this, when you press enter, so it will ask to overwrite the file. So you will have to type on yes and click enter, and your work is done. So if you have any issues or anything, you can give me a comment, and if you don't know anything, you can just put on comments. So I'm really happy to help you out. So see you on another video. So have a great day. So I hope everyone learns something new. So have a great day. Bye bye.